The Lefant M210 Pro robot vacuum cleaner boasts an impressive 2200 PAS suction power, making it particularly effective for households with pets as it can easily pick up debris, pet hair, and trash. Despite its powerful suction, the device is compact and quiet, designed to fit under furniture and operate without causing significant noise. The M210 Pro can be easily controlled via app, Alexa, or Google Assistant, offering flexibility and convenience in operation. The smart vacuum cleaner offers 6 cleaning modes including arranged, random, fixed point, wall, timed cleaning, and manual control of direction, catering to a variety of cleaning needs. The Lefant M210 Pro is equipped with anti-drop and anti-collision features, and it automatically returns to the charging base once vacuuming is finished or the battery runs low. With the Lefant app, users can schedule cleaning plans, check the status remotely, and adjust the cleaning mode and suction level, making it a highly customizable and user-friendly device.